You know what forces me to declutter? Moving! Yes, we are moving! So I'm gonna share with you my super secret tornado method, and I bet you can relate to this one right here. I'm gonna take you around my house and I'm gonna show you 6 problem areas that you are probably dealing with as well. But let me just give you a sneak peek of what I did in my tornado escapade. Let's move where the real mess is happening over here. Look at this. Look at this round one of decluttering of my house. Sadly, I bought this for my son's room. I thought I was going to use it in a redecorating project, but I think I'm going to gift it to somebody that I know wants it. But all of these clothes, my kids' clothes, that are no longer fitting them, it's time to go. Even cute bedding like this, you know, I'm attached to it. It's for my daughter's room. It's nice, but again, we use the Betties. I do have a coupon code for you in the description box below because I think it's the best thing, especially if you don't want to deal with fitted sheets and things looking messy. I like love them. Again, a quilt, but I'm thinking to myself, it's just not my style anymore. Portraits, rocking chairs, shoes. You guys, I cannot believe all this stuff. Oh, and there's even more over here. This is my mom's bike. It's got to go back to her. Chairs, baby stuff, pictures. This is all gotta be gone through. And we've lived in this house for 3.5 years. I'm just disgusted with all this stuff in here. Again, I have to negotiate with my entire family about what to get rid of. If it was just me, myself, and I, gone, bye. We would not have all of this problem, but you gotta work together, you gotta respect those that you live with, and I think the best thing of getting my husband involved with this is how great he felt after downsizing. Here's what the gurus would tell you. And by the way, I have done a lot of decluttering in my life so far, and I declutter for real people. The gurus would tell you to go room by room by room. But when you look at a room, it's overwhelming having to declutter that entire room. So I like to go project by project. And if I feel inspired along the way, you know, when you clean your house and you get distracted by this thing and that thing, go with it. The goal is to fill up your garage, your basement, whatever place you're keeping all your no longer needed items or items to be sold. You want to fill that space up. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how you get there. It's just a matter that you fill that space. It's like filling your piggy bank jar with all your change. It's way more exciting and way more rewarding rather than being stuck in the same room trying to declutter that room. So this is what you're going to do. 6 things you're going to pay attention to here. First thing I like to do is home decor because they are larger objects, and when you get them out of the way, you automatically feel relieved and like you are making progress. The goal is to feel like you are making progress and make it fun. So I want you to look at every single room in your house, look at your home decor and say, do I absolutely love this? Use the KonMari method. Does this item spark joy? And if it does not, by the way, I'm like sick of this basket right here. It just isn't my style anymore. Like, get rid of it. Get rid of it because you're going to feel so relieved with that clear space, and then put it in your to be donated pile or to sell pile or whatever you want to do. Quick tip, bring a box with you when you go through each part of your house collecting all your decor. Don't forget about your storage closets either, or your garage or any other places, maybe under your bed, that you've been storing home decor. And always remember, less is more. In your closet, in your drawers, I want you to physically touch every piece of clothing that you have. And you're going to go through and you get yourself a garbage bag or some sort of plastic bag. If you have not worn the item in 2 years, it's got to go. It has got to go. You need to make room in your closet for the things that you truly enjoy and that you wear. I don't even wear half of this stuff. Save some things like some black pants in case you got to go to a funeral. I know that's terrible to say. Thank you, Tracy, for the idea. She's a friend of mine. She brought that to my attention. I'm currently in round 2 of decluttering this closet because you're going to do this in rounds. The first time, you're probably not going to get rid of as many things as you think you are. And then when you go in for round 2, you're just going to be like going out crazy putting all this stuff away because I haven't worn half of this in 2 years. This is my husband's stuff. All right, my friend, we're gonna talk about baby stuff. If you are done having them babies, it's time for all that stuff to go. It takes up a ton of space. In fact, this whole thing was recently filled with baby stuff, but thanks to moving, we have since decluttered it. I'm scared to show you this room. Kids' toys. Now, word to the wise, you need to declutter the toys when they are not home and make sure you hide You hide the evidence. If you have not seen them play with a toy in 2 years, I mean, look at all these trinkety things. My kids' best adventure is just filling buckets and bags with their toys and then dumping it out all around the house. But go through, get rid of toys, donate toys, but do it when they're not around. You know, all those art projects that your kids bring home, or maybe things that you have received that you want to hold on to, let it go, let it go. But your favorite pieces, get just a binder like this, and then you can put your favorite art projects or whatever you're holding on to in this binder. Yes, I love this idea. It saves space, but it's something that they can look back on years later. The dreaded kitchen. Pull out every single drawer. It's amazing where kitchen utensils and appliances are hiding. And really ask yourself, have I used this item in 2 years? And does all my Tupperware match? And if it does not, put it in your garage. Remember before, here's the after once those things have been donated. The goal of all this decluttering is to make it fun. So put yourself on a timer and go around all your house like a crazy mad woman, a crazy madman, and get rid of all the things that you no longer love, need, want, desire in your home. You're gonna feel such a sense of relief when you do this. And when you see everything piled up in a space, you're gonna be saying to yourself, I cannot believe that I have been holding on to that much stuff. It's just like, that feels amazing. Now, if you are looking for 5 decluttering mistakes that you absolutely need to avoid, click this video on screen now, give the video a thumbs up, sign up for the weekly newsletter, which is all things cleaning tips, tricks, and hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.